Hey guys, this is part 2 of lesson 3. Um, all right, so this puzzle, we are at puzzle 5, right at the top, skill building. All right, headings. Headings has 6 different sizes. So they range from the biggest, the ultimate biggest is H1, and so that would be considered like a title. And then your sections would be either H2, which is the next size. So if you have the biggest, that's H1, big is H2, medium big is H3, medium small is H4, small is H5, and smallest is H6. So what they want you to do in this puzzle, you should always use these as your resources, and this is a key one. This talks about the 6 different levels, okay? So they want you to change these from the biggest to the smallest. So we know H1 is the biggest. So then now we have to go big. So that's going to be 2 because that 2 is the next in line after 1. And then go on down and change each of these to where they're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right? So you keep on doing that. And as you can see, this side of the preview, things are changing. All right, so you notice this is biggest, big, medium, big. And when you get to watch what happens for medium, small. So I'm going to go over here and change the 1 to a 4. And as you notice, they changed. So finish this up. You have small and smallest, so you have 2 more to do. Then you're going to click finish. So now this one is to check to see if you understand what we have done. So this is a product grade. So eggs is H3. So that's medium big. H1 is the largest, which is the biggest. And then H6 is the smallest. So you got to see how this code matches up against these. Okay? There's no way waffles, because that's the largest size. So these 2 are out. Now, these 2, this is smaller than this. So it's got to be this one. So click here and click submit. And click OK. All right. This one, you're going to watch this about finding errors and how to fix them in your puzzles. So then after that, you click continue. Here, this is headings. You are to complete each of these, okay? These are debugging activities. I will check these, trust me. So you're to click on these and find the errors, okay? So when you're looking for errors, let's go here, debug subheadings, okay? Those are like H2, H3, H4, H5, and 6, okay? So find and fix the problem that is causing the bug. Well, what's the bug? Let's see. Oh, they want you to look. See, the code should not be pink. So here is pink. So this is H2. If you have the inspector tool on, H2. Well, that doesn't match H3, so you're going to have to go back and click on 3. And here's another pink one. Same thing. Okay? And that's it. And then you click finish. Okay? So you're looking for the codes, okay? And then this one is add larger heading. So you're going to read what it's asking to do, add a larger heading at the top of this article. Okay, not a problem. This article talks about different forms of transportation, sea, and air. Okay, not a problem. So you're going to go over here, okay, and you're going to hit enter. Now they want, so let's call the title. So it's H1 because that's always you always use H1 for titles. And they want forms of transportation. And then you're going to close it off by doing a /H1. Oh, wait a minute. H1. So now I added forms of transportation and it's done and click fix. All right. So now we're on level puzzle 7. So 7 here, you have to pick, so this is 8, so then you're going to click finish. 9, okay? Look through the content with your partner, so maybe get somebody to help you, okay? Now, this is where you're going to have to change the headings, okay? All right? So what they want, look through the content, use your heading and paragraph tags to code the structure of the page. The page already here is structured. So this is the title. You automatically know that's going to be H1, okay? So we're going to go over here, /H1. Now, if you notice, as soon as I put the code in, it put the title in. Now this is a paragraph. You can tell it's all one paragraph. So I'm going to go here and do a paragraph. And /P. Okay? All right. So now we got our paragraph. This is a subheading, almost like it was where you had to change the hobbies. So if you go back over here to where I think this is skill building, it's one of these two, 3 or 4. So Lula is the next level down. It's a subsection off of My Pets. So let's give that an H2 /H2. All right. So if you notice, Lula changed. Now the dog, okay, the dog is H3. Let's give it H3. Okay, /H3. All right, so now we're at the dog. But guess what? Under Lula, you need to do a paragraph. P, and then you're going to go here and /P. Okay? Now, what I just did with Lula, dog, and Lula, you need to do it for Slowpoke that should get 3, 2, 3 paragraph. 2, 3 paragraph. Okay? It's not hard. Just mimic what we just did and you should be fine. All right? And then you're going to click here. Now this, if you do all these, you get extra credit. 3 points extra credit. Okay? You're going to go in there, choose the following activities. Actually, if you do 2 or 3 of these, you get 3 extra credits. So pick 3 of these. So pick these, one of these, follow the directions. The reason why it's extra credit is it's your choice. Okay? All right. Good job.